Welcome to the Auto Catalyst Market Channel. We have already reviewed many catalytic converters for different vehicles. Next up is the catalytic converter marked C571 that is installed on Renault vehicles. Auto Catalyst Market. Sell and buy catalytic converter at real prices. Faurecia makes the C571 catalytic converter for diesel engines. Installed on vehicles such as Renault Scenic 1.5 DCi, Renault Megane 1.5 DCi, and Renault Fluence 1.5 DCi 2009 to 2011, and others. The catalytic converter is located on the lower part of the vehicle and protected by an additional metal cover. The catalytic converter consists of a body made from heat-resistant steel. Inside is a ceramic monolith weighing 900 grams and a particulate filter weighing 2 kilograms, 360 grams, which is coated with platinum group metals. There is an exhaust gas temperature sensor between the ceramic monolith and the particle filter. There is a lambda probe sensor at the inlet to the catalytic converter. On average, the catalytic converter lasts around 120,000 kilometers. Then it needs to be replaced. Used catalytic converters are sold for recycling in order to get money for the precious metals they contain. Dedicated buyers will be able to give you an accurate buyback price if you give them the serial number of the catalytic converter. Alternatively, they can give you a price by the barcode directly on the particulate filter. If the number is difficult to make out, erased, or damaged, specialists will perform a spectral analysis on site. They will then use this data to create a price for your part. The platinum, palladium, and rhodium content in the catalytic converter and their cost on the London Stock Exchange will form the basis of the redemption value of this catalytic converter. The price of a catalytic converter will also depend on additional factors: integrity and condition of the part itself, fuel type, the year of manufacture of the catalytic converter. Sometimes the catalytic converter may be burnt out and damaged. In this case, the price will be lower. On average, the price of a catalytic converter marked C571 for Renault vehicles ranges from $175 to $210. To find out the current price for catalytic converter redemption today, follow the web link in the video description to autocatalystmarket.com. The website also makes it easy for you to find a company that will buy back your catalytic converter. Go ahead and find out the information you need at the current price of catalytic converters. We have tens of thousands of them in our database, the most complete in the world. More useful information on catalytic converters coming soon. If you're interested, please like this video and subscribe to Auto Catalyst Market's YouTube channel. Bye!